Hi guys, I will show you this microwave steam cleaner, if it's work or not. And I bought it in a Poundland. I paid £1 for it. So yeah, and you see all you see all the steps and see if it's work or not. This is the microwave. It's not clean microwave, as you can see. I just left it dirty on purpose to use to see if it's work. But so yeah, this is the microwave, and I'm gonna be add the water and the vinegar and see how it's work. And now it's gonna be to put the water and vinegar into this. I don't think you can see it from the camera, but it's that much. You're going to be put a vinegar into this. Yeah, there you can see there's a level for the vinegar and the level for the water's up here. Yeah, that's you can see from the camera. That's the level of the vinegar, that's the level of the water. So I'm gonna pour in the vinegar. Put the head down. Yeah, that is about right. I just lift that up. Actually, I put slightly more above what it used to be, or you should put it in. Hopefully right. So now it's ready for the microwave. And I'm gonna turn it off now, and after a couple of minutes when I see the steam, I will gonna turn it back on and in too. I can see the steam from the glass. I can see the inside the microwave now is being steaming. But see what happened. And now it's last 10 seconds of 6 minutes and a half, and I will see how it's look like inside. Okay, there are a lot of steams. Tiny bit still left in there. So I want to put it back. I will put it back in for another minute and a half to complete the 8 minutes. And now is, after this 5 minutes will be 8 minutes. And now it's got 8 minutes in the microwave. Tiny bit still left in it. I don't know if you actually can see. Okay, not too bad. As you can see, low waters, lot of steams. The job's a bit. how it look like. You can see after. Actually, let me see if I can clean this. No, it's not, you can't clean that. So that's how it's. I think it's alright, not too bad. I think it's not that one which you say is really good, but it's alright. If your microwave is smells bad, I reckon. So yeah, and I pay £1 in Poundland, but all the houses smell of vinegar at the moment. But it's alright. So hopefully this video has helped. I personally think after the microwave is dry, it's not that bad, but if I be honest with you, it's not that good as the advertising for it. So it's just good for, I don't know, what should I say for, just if your microwave is smell bad, you can just use this to make it smell a tiny bit better. But the cleaning, I don't think is really good. But hopefully this has helped you all.